This Singapore noodles recipe is one that you should save and make for your loved ones. It's easy, comes together very quickly, and I believe anyone can make this following these instructions. The ingredients are accessible to you. I will list everything I use in the description box, so let's get cooking. You will need rice sticks, also known as vermicelli. You can find these at the supermarket. The first thing to do is to pour hot water over these rice sticks, and we're going to let this sit for 5 minutes, nothing more than 5 minutes. I am making 1 pack of rice sticks, and that served my family of 5, 2 children and 3 adults. After pouring water, you can just toss it around like this to disintegrate. Here, I'm just trying to show that the stove is not on. With the rice sticks soaking, let's move to the next stage. I added sesame oil to a pan and added already seasoned chicken breast cut into thin strips, not too thin though. I seasoned this with garlic and soy sauce. While you're doing this, don't forget to drain the rice sticks after 5 minutes. Drain and set it aside and go back to frying your chicken. When the chicken is ready, it can take 7 to 10 minutes. Take it out. You can put it away in a bowl. Now we get fresh prawns already cleaned. These I seasoned with just salt and garlic. I'm going to fry these until they're ready. This one doesn't take too much time. In 3 minutes, they should be ready, and I took them out, set them in another bowl. Still in that sticky pan, I added more sesame oil, some chopped onions, fried until translucent, added garlic, ginger, and a little curry powder. Add chopped red scotch bonnet, fry for a bit, and begin adding the vegetables, starting with carrots. Fry these a little because it's the toughest vegetable here. Then yellow, green, and red bell peppers. The stickiness in the pan will melt into the veggies and noodles, creating deliciousness. Fry on high heat for 3 minutes before you introduce the soaked vermicelli. Add some soy sauce, stock and salt, but be careful with salt because soy sauce is salty. If you want to use more soy sauce, then take out stock cube and salt. Return the chicken and prawns to the pan at this point. Don't forget to add spring onions too, and this is the point where you get to give your arms a good workout. I tell you, mixing these is a lot of work, but we don't mind because this dish is worth it. Mix thoroughly still on high heat for about 3 minutes and your delicious Singapore noodles is ready. This Singapore noodles is something that you really have to try. Give your loved ones a treat with this dish and I bet they're going to love it. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I will see you soon with another amazing recipe. Bye bye.